So how can you turn off the blue light on an iPhone? And let's explain that and let's get started. If you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So there is a built-in feature which can filter out the blue light, and it is called night shift. There are more places where you can access it. First of all, you can swipe down from the top right corner, and under the brightness slider, when you hold down on it, more things like buttons appear below. One of them is the night shift, so you can literally see the difference in real time, how much it filters out of the blue light, which in effect will make the screen look much more yellow and warmer in the color tones, right? So that's the way to do this. But you can also go to the settings and find the display and brightness, where you also have the night shift menu. In there, not only can you enable it, but also manage other things like scheduling, which is the automatic enabling of this feature, either based on a time of the day or sunset and a sunrise. And you can also enable the color temperature, so you can max it out to make it really yellow and filter out as much blue light as possible, or you might go for a little bit more moderate look. So it all comes down to your preference, but this is where you can change it, enable it, and have the results be ready and take effect. So let me know if you managed to set it up on your device, if that's the thing that you are going after. If you had something else in mind, let me know about that as well. I'll probably make an updated video about it, so stay tuned so you don't miss it by subscribing, and that way you're going to be up to date with your iPhones and other devices. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later in the next videos as well.